can cook Nigerian spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, he's... Hey guys, welcome back to Becky's Corner. So in today's video, I'm going to be cooking Nigerian spaghetti. And this isn't any like British spaghetti, this is like Nigerian spaghetti. And my mom actually taught me how to make this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this today. I'm going to be cooking this for my family. But before we get into this video, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever we upload a new video. And also share to friends and family, because why not? Okay, let's get into it guys. Right, okay, so here we have pot here and sunflower oil. Then we have some bell peppers, or have the spicy little, I don't know what you call them, pepper things, I don't know what you call them. And then we've got some chicken sauce, and the chicken's actually in the oven right now. Our Maggi cubes and some aromat. We've got our thyme and our curry powder, garlic, and we have tin tomatoes. Why is jollof rice or spaghetti without tin tomatoes? Like, if you're Nigerian and you don't know what this is, I don't know what to say to you. We've got some garlic. Yes, that's everything. Oh, actually no, that's not everything. And then we also have our Tesco knockoff spaghetti, of course, we have our chopped onions right here. I'm gonna wash my hands first and then put my hair up so no hair gets on the food. Okay guys, so we're gonna first off actually switch the cooker on, and then we're gonna put some vegetable oil in here in the pot. Don't put too much guys, this is what I always do, I always put too much. I think that's enough, I'm not even sure. Wait, I'll put some more in. Okay, so we've got that in there. And then when this is hot, we're gonna put the chopped onions in here. That's very... She's laid. You're good. Guys, so I'm gonna put my onions in here now. Actually, put the just put that in the sink. I'll just stick it down today. I don't want to spit it everywhere. Okay guys, so we're going to let the onions get cooked right now, okay? Okay guys, so we don't want it to get burnt, so we're just going to like stir it a little bit, you know what I mean? Just give it a little stir, not too much though, because we don't want to get burnt. I'm really scared because the other day my mum was cooking and she had her phone while she was cooking. She was watching TikTok, she was making TikToks in the kitchen while she was cooking. The whole water burned her neck, so now I'm really scared. I'm going to be really careful with it. Oh guys, you can see the smoke coming off it, so that's a good sign. Get burnt, so we've got to keep on stirring it. It is actually boiling right now and the smoke coming off it. So I'm going to get my my blended bell pepper and I'm going to put it in here. Ooh.
So Diamond made a mistake here. So after frying the onions, the tin tomato is supposed to go in next. Instead, she poured the blended pepper. But it's fine, she's still a learner.
So I actually made a mistake. I was supposed to put the tin tomatoes in and fry it with the onions. I forgot and I put this in first, so it's okay. We're just gonna put it together because like I'm not a pro yet. Do you guys get what I mean? I'm not a pro. Gotta get everything out there. You know what I mean? Every single time I do this, I always break the thing. So I'm actually scared. I might get my mom to help me.
How did you forget? You should have put this in first before the pepper.
I'm sorry, I'm not a pro yet, okay? Okay.
That's the way I taught you.
Well, I'm not a pro
make
yet.
a mistake.
I've only cooked it 3 times.
You should have fried the tin tomatoes first.
I'm sorry, okay?
Fried the tin tomatoes before adding the pepper.
Sorry.
I don't know if it's okay. Cover it for now. Don't stir it yet.
Just a splash around. Thanks to our mum for helping us. Even though I've got to put it in, it's okay. Oh, that's kind of hot. Yeah, I'm going to put it in there because I don't want to splash around. You get what I mean? Do that one splashing. Don't put your step away. You got to keep it focused. Why don't you say so? It's not shit, that's my way. Put the sauce aside and then you cook the spaghetti, half done. Put some cold water in here, see what I'm doing? That guys. That's almost half full. Not half full, but almost. Okay, we're gonna put it on the stove, we're gonna cook it for a bit so that we can mix them together later on. So now my mom taught me actually to wash my spaghetti, so I'm gonna pour it out into the sink and wash it. Okay. So I'm gonna do this really carefully because I feel like I'm gonna do something wrong. Water out first. Oh, get down with the spaghetti. No. Actually, I don't really want to. Oh, sugar. I just bit myself, guys. Okay. I think. Oh, sugar. It's too hard. You guys help. Oh, there you go. Okay, we did it. We did it. Just bit myself, guys. Okay. Alright, okay, guys. So I need to call my mom to help me. Mom.
Yeah.
Will you help me?
What's that?
I need to wash it.
You're washing it now?
Yeah.
So wash the spaghetti.
I'm gonna put it into like a filter.
Leave this one aside. It's already washed.
Okay. Alright, you guys, we washed it now. We're gonna leave that aside.
That's for now.
We're
Alright.
gonna continue cooking this the sauce that I told you about before. That we left aside. We're gonna continue cooking it, and yeah.
The sauce is really nice. Oh, well done. You did it well.
Yeah, thanks, Mom.
Wow.
Although I think it's starting to burn on the bottom, but it's okay. It's cook. I'm a cook. I'm a cook, bro.
A lovely little sauce, bro.
I'm a cook, bro. I'm a cook. So for my ingredients, okay guys, so I wasn't recording unfortunately, but I've already put my curry powder, my thyme and my aroma. I've put that inside now, so I'm going to put my nutmeg, and I actually didn't show you guys this before, but nutmeg makes it taste really good. I think that's okay. Then we've got some garlic as well, just a bit of that. Now I'm going to stir it, like so, and then I'm going to add my Maggi cubes at the end. I'm gonna add our chicken sauce inside of here. Oh, look at that, guys. You see that? And I'm gonna clean up the cooker because I made a bit of a mess. Yeah, so now I'm gonna add my Maggi cubes. I'm adding 2 Maggi cubes, by the way, guys. So now it's time to add the spaghetti. I'm just gonna try and pour it in. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful creation.
The Nigerian spaghetti. Nigerian spaghetti bolognese. You have to stir it very well. So this is the Nigerian spaghetti bolognese. It's really nice. Well done.
Thanks, Mom.
Wow. Time to cook Nigerian spaghetti bolognese. Hey. Why don't I cook Nigerian spaghetti bolognese? I can cook Nigerian spaghetti bolognese. I can cook. We're going to the beach now, so we're taking the spaghetti to the beach. This is so lovely, this is so yummy. We're going to the beach to have fun. It's going to be a different video. At time, I will spend time in the beach and everything. When we go to the beach, we're going to be eating it. It's so yummy. The only thing is that it's so spicy. I just hope they will like it. But this is the real Nigerian spaghetti. This is what is called Nigerian spaghetti. This is how we cook our spaghetti in Nigeria, okay? Yes, so I'm going to be putting this in this cooler, okay, with some chicken, and then he's going to the beach with us. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know where Diamond is. She's somewhere. She has done her own and she's gone. So I'm going to transfer this into the cooler and when we take it to the beach, okay guys? So join us as we go to the beach, but this is going to be the end of this video. We're going to be uploading our next video and it's going to be a beach vlog, okay? Join us as we enjoy at the beach together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stay to the end, thank you so much. We appreciate your great support on this channel. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Yeah.